Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. So today I am using Paynes Grey to cover my canvas, and I'll just do that quickly, just swiping across with my hand. And I'll see you in a bit. And then I'm going to layer my cup, so I'll just put it right here, and I'm going in with, this is actually Cyan Blue. There's a bit it's a bit dark if you're looking at that dark as well, and I'll go in with my Florescent Pink. And I have some Phato Green, which I've actually toned down with a bit of white. This is just some other pink that I've mixed up. And some 24 karat gold Deco Art. And then I'll go in with some turquoise. So I am trying to actually leave, I'm going to try and leave some negative space, but I think we all know my heavy-handedness. I wonder, I have this other pink, but no, I'm not going to use it because it's too thin. So let's try that. Oh, look at those cells popping up there, guys. Zoom you in a bit. You can see all the cells popping up there. Let me straighten you out. Okay. Wow. That is pretty. So let's give that a tilt. Some beautiful multicolored cells popping up. I didn't really want to lose that down there, but looks like I might have to. Just run straight over it. Let's see if I can keep some negative space. Wow, those cells, so pretty. Now I love this part here, but I've got some blank canvas there. So I'm just wondering, let's tilt this a bit more there. We'll bring it back. So I'm trying to tilt around that part, because I'm going to just, I think I'll just try and fill that in. So I'm just bringing it back, just trying to straighten out some of those cells. Okay. I think I'm going to torch it. Oh, those cells in that cup there are absolutely amazing. So I'm going to take some of this and just fill in this part here where it's actually opened up the canvas. I really love this pink that's going on here, but I think what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to go around the edge here I think that the bright pink really makes it look a bit more striking. Yeah, I like that a lot actually. Right. So I'll touch up the sides with the Paynes Grey. Okay guys, I think that this, the pink really pops, really stands out. So as you can see, all the cells. And it glistens and gleams. It really is pretty. Try and get away from that studio light. I love this part here. I don't know why, but it's so random and so cool. I think you can actually see over here where the light is reflecting. You can see the shimmer. Okay guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.